You put me in the baby nursery and forget about me. I am the cheapest, most powerful dry cleaner in your house. Start using me. Covered in wet, sticky beach sand? Stop wiping yourself raw. Dust me over your skin. I dry up the moisture and the sand brushes off instantly. You're welcome. Greasy roots and no dry shampoo? Sprinkle me on your brush and comb me through. I absorb oil instantly, give you crazy volume, and smell like an angel. And a necklace tied in an impossible knot? Don't break it. Sprinkle me all over the knot and rub gently. I act as a micro lubricant, and the chain slips right apart.
Hot, sweaty summer nights? Lightly dust your bed sheets with me before you sleep. I absorb sweat all night long and keep the sheets feeling cool and crisp.
Thighs rubbing together on a hot day? Dust me on before you leave. I create a frictionless barrier so you don't end up in pain. Drop pizza grease on your nice shirt? Cover the stain with a mountain of me immediately. Let me sit for an hour. I literally suck the oil right out of the fabric.
Squeaky wooden floors waking up the whole house? Sweep me directly into the floorboard cracks. I stop the wood from rubbing together, silent as a ghost.